Ginger root has many medicinal properties and has been used for many years to treat health issues, such as stomach problems and arthritis. For this reason, it is not surprising that drinks have been created using ginger. One such beverage that not only holds health benefits but tastes delicious is ginger beer. Ginger beer can help remove inflammation and reduce pain in the body. Today's video will discuss how to make this yummy drink and the health benefits it holds. Ingredients: 200 grams of peeled and finely chopped ginger, 450 milliliters filtrated water, 225 grams of sugar, 115 milliliters of sparkling water, several drops of lime juice, lemon slices. Directions: pour the filtered water into a pot and bring to a boil. Add ginger into the water. Reduce heat and cook for 5 minutes. Remove pot from the stove and let alone for 20 minutes. Strain the liquid from the ginger. In a separate bowl, dissolve sugar with 1 cup of the boiled water. Mix half a cup of ginger juice with 1/3 cup of the syrup and 1/2 cup of sparkling water. Add organic honey and lime juice. Garnish glass with lemon slices. Consuming this beverage on a regular basis will heal any stomach issues and improve the digestive system. It can even reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels. This beverage can help cold and flu symptoms to dissipate quicker. It has even been found effective in fighting cancer. Aside from its health benefits, it's a great tasting beverage. Are you thinking of trying it for yourself? Let us know in our comment section below. If you liked this content, and you thought it was refreshing, please take a moment to like and subscribe. We look forward to providing more healthy videos for you.